Alright, welcome back to Cracktown City. Today I'm going to be running around the shop and making it a little bit more YouTube friendly. Like I want to put some sort of camera mount up here so I can get a top-down view of the workbench. And I'm going to need a new tripod thing over here for the lathe, because previously I would just stick it here and whenever the lathe was on it'd be vibrating, and you know that's no bueno. And I think that's about all that I got on the docket. Maybe something over here, I don't know. But, you know, I guess step one to all of that is going to be cleaning up this dang mess. To finish shopping around, didn't actually find a new tripod. Everything else looked just as bad as this one, so we're living with it. The one thing I do like about this tripod is this little quick connect here. So I think I'm gonna try and build something similar to where I can use the same quick connect for my two other points here. So first part of this build is gonna be getting this 3D printed.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Got the parts printed. In my haste of trying to design these before bedtime, I forgot to put holes for mounting. I forgot to put a recess for the spring. So either we're printing them again or making a workaround. So the thing we're really missing here is the spring that holds this in. But I'm thinking just a little extension spring from here to here will solve the problem. It won't be pretty, but I'm not making this to look pretty. That teeny drill. That'll do. Alright, got my two springs added on there as an afterthought. Now to work on the next afterthought. Mounting holes for bolts. Oh yeah, that is ugly. Off to a banging start. So this first mount's gonna be real simple. Just gonna have a piece hanging down from there, and the camera will mount right here. So that'll be pretty easy. I think over here I want to have an articulating mount, kind of like what this light's on, so I can move it and get more interesting shots. But I'm gonna need it to be mounted on the wall, not on the bench, so we're not getting any of the vibration from this thing when it's running. Now let's tackle the easy first. Look at that, how convenient. There she is. Let's get you up there. See how it looks. So we got, there's an edge. There's an edge. There's an edge. I've got a pretty big workspace. All on camera now. Now, is it a problem that it's upside down? That's something we'll learn in editing, huh? For the camera mount for the lathe, I picked up one of these flexible gas hoses. I hope it's strong enough. The 7/8 one was 40 bucks, so I went for the cheapie. Now I'm thinking about a couple couplers that I can just use it to weld to the mounting plates. We'll have one side fixed, the other side with the camera mount, and I can articulate it. So got this piece, got this piece. This goes there. Let's just mark these holes. Get these drilled out. Look at me making a mount without the CNC machine. It's like I'm going back to my roots, man. Always gotta cap your pieces. Otherwise, you're just a sloppy bastard. Alright, to weld these pieces, we're gonna have to grind off as much of the galvanized stuff as possible. Because that shit'll kill you. Alright, close your air holes. Remember what I said about capping your pipe? I'm not capping this one. I guess I'm a sloppy bastard. So it seems a little on the floppy side. Maybe shove some baling wire through it, see if that'll stiffen it up a little bit. I think that'll do. Let's give her a test. There's a pretty sweet overhead shot. We still wobbling? Yeah, a little bit. I feel like if I breathe on it wrong, it wobbles. Alright. We're moving. No noticeable wobbling. Ah, those will be some pretty cool shots there. What about, you know what? I think I want that to be sidewards. Let's do that. Alright. We're nice and sidewards now. That's a pretty nice shot. Doesn't seem to be vibrating anymore. All right. I think this is gonna work. I think those were the two big problem areas from the last video. Handled. You got this funky looking thing sticking out of the wall now. Got this funky looking thing. I'm thinking I might order an external screen or something that I can throw right there so I can really get shots. With this tripod mount I'll be able to rotate it and whatnot, so I think that'll be helpful. Maybe a nice zoom. But yeah, I think that's that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and you know, subscribe, smash the old liker.